This is Dan at Cardboard Hobby. We are cracking 2021 Gold Rush Buzzer Beater Basketball 1-box eBay break. July 15th, 2021. I'm going to read off eBay usernames with team names. We got Pit P Red with the Bulls, Warriors, Trailblazers, Spurs, Cavaliers, Clippers, and Bucks. A Big Dog 808 with the Heat, Wizards, and Jazz. Soar NC with the Timberwolves and Suns. DERHOGA0 with the Kings, COR_68 with the Mavericks, Pelicans, and Hawks. XBert23 with the 76ers, KAMMAX-9 with the Magic, Tyke10173 with the Nuggets and Pistons, BOXUS52 with the Knicks, Bones-420 with the Grizzlies, RYOWI-57 with the Lakers, DERHOGA0 also with the Rockets, KSEC_5434 with the Hornets, Rojo 548326 with the Nets, LV-VIC-1C, QIQZ3, I believe, with the Celtics. That is your full lineup. Okay, we have got your sealed box here, 2021 Gold Rush Buzzer Beater Basketball. We got one high-end hit per box here. This is going to be a fun break here, guys. 2021 Gold Rush Buzzer Beater Basketball. There we go. Let's get the plastic off first. And let's crack the seal. Alright, here we go. We got your one pack there. Empty box. Okay, here we go, guys. Good luck, everybody. Coming at you. And we've got 2019 Donruss Optic Zion Williamson rated rookie gem mint 10. Wow, is that gorgeous? The Pelicans, how about that? Gorgeous Zion rookie gem mint 10. Wow, absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful Zion, the Pelicans. Pelicans owned by Core_68. Congrats. Got a gorgeous Zion. Beautiful card. Beautiful card. 2019 Donruss Optic Zion Williamson rated rookie gem mint 10. Congrats. Absolutely gorgeous. I want to thank everybody so much for breaking, guys. I really do appreciate it. Cardboardhobby.com, Dugan1640 on eBay. Once again, we are back at it again tomorrow night. Got a really nice lineup scheduled all weekend long as well, so please don't miss out on that. I want to thank everybody so much for your support. I'll be sticking around in case anybody has any questions, guys. Once again, thank you so much for your support again. Please, be smart, be safe out there.